In 1938, Alpina introduced a watch that would define the DNA of the modern sports watch, the Alpina 4. Robust, reliable, and built for explorers, it set the standard for what a true tool watch should be. Today, Alpina continues that legacy with a bold and compact timepiece that perfectly balances heritage and modernity. The Alpina Alpiner Extreme Automatic 39mm California Dial. Revamped in 2022, the Alpiner Extreme was born for adventure. This new 39mm version brings all that rugged character into a more wearable, everyday size. The case measures 39mm wide, 40.5mm long, and just 11.5mm thick, with a bold, cushion-shaped design that feels substantial yet refined. You'll notice its 6 signature Alpina screws securing the round bezel, a defining trait of the Extreme family. With 200 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown with grippy rubber cladding, and a mix of brushed and polished surfaces, this is a sports watch ready to handle real-world extremes, from mountain trails to urban streets. But what truly sets this model apart is the California Dial, a design steeped in history. Dating back to the 1930s, the California layout combines Roman numerals on top and Arabic numerals below, a design originally crafted to give pilots and divers instant legibility in low light. On the Alpiner Extreme, this look comes alive with large beige-loomed numerals, a textured sandblasted dial, and a subtle gradient tone that deepens towards the edges. Available in autumn green or earthy brown. Even the smallest details are thoughtful, from the red Alpina triangle counterweight on the seconds hand to the practical date window at 3 o'clock. Inside beats the AL525 automatic caliber. Based on the tried-and-true Sellita SW200, it runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour and delivers a 38-hour power reserve, a dependable engine for a watch built to perform. Paired with a durable rubber strap matching the dial tone, the new Alpina Alpiner Extreme Automatic 39mm California Dial proves that adventure and elegance can coexist. Available in green or brown, each retails for €1,695, a fair price for a Swiss-made sports watch with true heritage in its veins. I'm curious, which dial would you choose? The bold green or the classic brown? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stories that go beyond time.